chisel.
Once we start the light, that'll help start it. So did that make it a little bit better to be able to see natural sunlight?
So we are going to Holland. I just want to see what the main item that I'm hoping it's tint plus 39, not tint minus however.
It might be 39.
Yeah.
That's a lot of little pieces.
Okay, Miss Holland. So we have veggies and a serving tray and a knife. Good thing I didn't buy that at Walmart. And frying pan, cooker, and everything.
That's what it said, the salt and pepper.
Everything. And here's all their camping.
That's the camping camping and stuff.
First aid kit, utility utensils. They have a compass, a whistle,
Their little
a
canteen.
canteen.
Oh, it looks like this will pop right up.
That's what I said. It might
And
be the
they
little
have
top.
a lantern, and this is the little kerosene cooking, the Coleman cooking.
The Coleman burner.
And then they have
The Realborn nostril.
for excavating. And okay, it might not be that difficult. Here's the tent. So
Once you unzip it, it's going to pop up maybe.
Okay.
That was I think.
I was thinking they were going to say
What about one of
tube
Cassidy?
and those.
The one of Cassidy popped up as soon as I unzipped it. See, I told you. And see, I told you it's like a teepee dome. See?
Okay. How do I get it?
Switch the other side, please.
Oh, wait a minute. There we go.
See, the bottoms are just like that one.
Oh,
They're
okay.
the square, but they come up.
So, Katie, you've got to be able to put 5 little ones in there. So, you can
Now,
use
the melody, like, I don't go camping, Mama. I'm indoor baby.
and see if Holland would have known, she would have known all about putting my binkies in there, putting my blankies in
Well,
there.
Katie would say, we can go and paw troll with it.
She said, Holland, look at this, Holland.
That would be like,
Now, you should be able to,
roll it up.
Roll it up and then get your tag underneath and tie it.
Yeah, I did kind of.
There's tags to tie them. You just pull them in.
yeah, I'm going to do like that, not tie it, because then it'll release easier. So there we go. Okay, what are you going to do? I thought we were going to be spending 2 hours assembling
I
the
told
tent.
you that, I thought, see, when I popped that thing out, I told you it's going to be similar to this. Because I knew. Because Catherine had one like this too.
Oh, they're good. Look.
You remember, you and Cassidy had one that had a little monkey on it. Do you remember it now? You had one with a little monkey?
Yeah.
And Cassidy then got one.
That's what I was getting ready to do. I'm going to put them there and then I'm going to video them. Now he'll make the tent fall over and try to lean me into that. I always forget to bring that little weight, and I could bring 2 of them and then it would be for him. Okay, so the cousins' special family fun day. They got camping sets. They have tents, Holland and Cadence. Aunt Sharon and KitKat gave them Paw Patrols. They've got their first Paw Patrol toys. And we're going over and we're in our campgrounds. There's Casper. And I'm not sure what Katie's up to. I'm not sure if Katie's throwing a fit or if she's inspecting the tent. Okay. I was like, and there's Scamp. And the babies got their own little cameras so they can take selfies. So we are getting ready to have a fun outdoor adventure inside. And this is all their toys. So
I said 2 doubles.
my niece took most of the pictures while we were out getting batteries. Holland has a thing for cooking Big Bird. That's Casper, Cadence, we can tell by the passy. And that's Casper, he was not wearing shoes today. There's the twins. Cadence is on the left, he's mine. There's Holland. And that's Katie, named after her mommy, Catherine. That's Cadence, he's wearing shoes, and he loves his pappy. Those watches do work. Katie. And this is some of the setup once they start playing. They've got a little cooker that lights up the flames, so Katie is doing the fried egg. She looks like she's got muscles. And that's Cadence with his Paw Patrol. They're inside the tent. That is Casper and Katie's tent. And that's inside Cadence and Holland's tent. Casper is barefooted. That's a first aid kit with a hot dog in it. Not sure about that. And that's Casper and his little puppy Scamp. And that's Casper playing with Katie or giving her a pillow. And there's Holland with a bunch of supplies. And Winnie the Pooh is Casper's. That's Cadence. He's wearing shoes the whole time and he loves his pappy. Hello, Casper. Casper and Katie. Long hair is Casper, and Holland has fallen over and has a first aid kit. And they have their own little cameras to take selfies. Those are siblings with my twin, and Holland, see, she's cooking Big Bird. And they're taking pictures with their little cameras, courtesy of Auntie, or Gigi. Those watches tell the real time and have a real calendar on them. That's Casper. Holland has baked beans. And that's Casper taking pictures. And that's them playing. And they're inside Holland and Cadence's tent. That's Holland trying to get in the tent. That is Holland trying to crawl into the tent. Looks like old lady. And the twins, the little brothers. Look at them. You take the watch, okay? And Holland has found the whistle, and it does work, and it has the light at the end of it. That little button will turn on a light. So Holland has found the whistle. Cadence is going to join Casper. Holland got a new baby today. And oh, by the way, she's wearing Converse sneakers. Katie's getting into a box. There's Holland with her little camera. And that's Cadence cooking. And Katie trying to get into the box again. And that's Casper with the binoculars. And Katie trying to eat a slice of cheese. Katie is not throwing a fit. She's trying to get in the tent. There she is with the cheese for the hamburger. And Scamp got in the grocery basket. That's Katie. Katie and Scamp. That's Casper with a little camouflage ball. And Katie, see the little hamburger unassembled? And that's Cadence with, I'm not sure. That's them looking at the box before it got open, so the pictures are out of order. Cadence is cooking a hamburger, and Holland has decided to join him, giving him instructions or a helping. That's Casper and Katie cooking waffles, and Holland decided to cook the Dalmatian puppy. And Casper is going to give Katie some light. Holland has made her way inside the tent. Look at Holland. And she's cooking Big Bird. And she's with Bubba. And then Aunt Sharon kept them so Katie and I could go out. Look at Casper. And Scamp got some flowers. And then Holland is holding the light for all of them. Cadence has Big Bird and flowers. Look at that. And now they're worn out. Sleep tight. My little babies. Worn out. Babies had a long day. They had a great camping adventure. More videos to come. I guess Big Bird is looking in on the babies. I'm not sure. Keeping watch on the babies, I don't know. But at the end of a long, hard day, this is little Holland and Cadence, all worn out, fast asleep. They were given Paw Patrol toys that can also go in the tub. So Holland got one, and Cadence was given one. These came from Aunt Sharon. And they are worn out. There's Holland's little monkey. And we have Big Bird, I guess, keeping an eye on them while they sleep. But they are out for the count. Good night, little ones. May 7th, 2021.